Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I'm inside the kitchen, of course. I'm going to cook again for the guys' food. Their snack. So, I just set the camera here so you can see me while I'm doing. I'm going to cook meat. And beans. Asa mo itong pamilya? Nakitaan ko. So now, let's do first the garlic. Beans with pork, adobo. Adobong beans, guys. Onion. And the pepper. Then the meat first. I have meat here. Then I'm gonna layo up mo dyan. Too far away. Oh, there. Need to add seasoning. Allspice, then the pepper, black pepper, salt, let's mix. So this is rice here. Excuse me. I'm going to cover that one. Set for 15 minutes to cook the meat. The last is the beans. There you go. I'll be back later, guys. Don't go away. Okay, let's check back the meat. Oh la la. Nice. Wow. Ha? Ay, kailan ako yung tubig ko? So I'm going to put on the beans. Beans here. Oh. This is already washed beans, guys. Nangausik. the beans. I'm going to cover that. Hi everyone. I'm still waiting to the beans. Before the beans will cook, I have something to tell you. My sister wants to have a channel, but she don't have channel yet, and I don't have a channel, no? She have a channel, guys, but there is no it's not working yet. She need to put that one in a public because that's still a private. So if she have a channel, guys, I'll just tell you later, so you can follow her journey too. And that's all about her life, her journey everywhere, friends, family, like that. So tomorrow she will be leaving to Mindanao. I'll be back later, guys. Let's check again the beans. Oh wow. He's cooking here. Ouch. Init. Guys, ako parin bein. Palagin. Gloves. Asa gloves? Tara, ano? Gloves. He's cooking, guys. Nagsabaw lagi siya. Angels. Wow, smells good. In can't eat beans because I think she have arthritis. Might be the beans not good to her. So here she is, guys. If she have some channel, what do you call this one? Just visit her channel. But I will tell you later if she have some video uploaded. Hi guys, I'm still waiting for the beans. But I need to, is here. I need to ask her what's her channel name. What's your channel name? My channel name is the Filipina, my journey in life. Yeah, that one. That's her channel, guys. So if she's starting, she already have one video there, but needs to upload more to register. That's her channel, guys. The Filipina, my journey in life. Take note. I'll be back later. The beans. Adobong beans. Finished, guys. Let's eat. That's very, very yummy. Have meat. My mouth's watering. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe. Di, butanin mo ka ng iba. Ang iba ba, butanin mo panapton.